Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. If you're new here, I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. Today we're going to be opening up this huge box which has been sent in to me from a subscriber. Thank you very much. As ever, we're going to be looking for things that I can upcycle, restore and resell in my eBay, Etsy, my whatnot and in my retailers. Let's dive straight in. Okay, we're in. This box has been sent in from the lovely Jill. There was a nice note inside. Thank you very much, Jill. I can't wait to see what we've got. Oh my goodness, look at that shell. That's incredible. Wow, it's nearly, well, it is the size of my hand. That's gorgeous. Right, there's a few bags in here, so I wonder if we should pull those out. Wow, this is a haul, guys. Now, there was a lovely little pot of tiny seed beads in the bottom, which is obviously opened in the poster, so we might be finding them flying around, but I will rescue as many of those as I can. Well, first of all, it looks like we've got a box of lovely earrings. Really pretty flower clip-ons. Those are absolutely gorgeous. Love those. Then there's these stunning leaf ones. These ones from recycled paper. Those are really pretty. And there's an even bigger pair. Look at these. They're absolutely gorgeous. And another pair of these. What are they? Palm leaves? Don't know. Let me know if you know. These are fun. Brushed metal studs. And then these absolute beauties. Gorgeous. On top here we've got what looks like a coro piece maybe, or a jewel craft. I can never remember the hang tags, but it's of that look. Beautiful. And we've got a stretchy bracelet. That's really fun. And look at this one. Oh wow, I love the detail on the back as well. That's amazing. I've got a pair of bangles. What's in this little pot? Some tiny bangles. Those are gorgeous. I mean, I know I have small wrists, but even for me, I think that they must be children's ones. I'll have to hide those from my 6-year-old. Oh, look at this. It's got ammonites or similar. Maybe they're, might be nautilus shells actually. And then we've got some kind of sparkly, oh, I think they are actually little geodes, and freshwater pearls. Wowzers. Is it a bracelet? It's tiny if it is a bracelet. I guess it must be. It needs, can add a chain to that to make it longer. Or do we reuse the pieces? Love it. And we've got some beads. There's some lava stone in here. Some, are they cowrie shells? And some pretty beads. Lovely big bag of gold tone beads, and there's a few silver tone ones in there too. Oh wow, look at these pearls. That is incredible. I've never seen anything like that before either. This is so heavy, guys, I can't tell you. Wow, Jill, tell us the story behind this. That is just incredible. Look at them. So it's a, oh, hold on, have we got a necklace and a bracelet? Yeah, that's a bracelet. And then we've got a necklace that goes over the head. That is so heavy. Can't see any maker's mark or anything on the clasp. Yeah, I think that she must have a small wrist, because I have small wrists, but these are small for me. That is amazing. And we've got a whole bag of bangles. Lovely metal bangles. A couple of wooden ones. They're ripe for being painted on, aren't they? This is cool, look at that. modernist style one. And 3 more metal ones. And then we've got a stretchy. That would go well with the pearls, wouldn't it? And then these look like they must go with those earrings. So this one needs a little fix, but that's easy enough. And we've got the pinky coloured one. These are stunning. The blue, they were the clip-on earrings, weren't they? The blue ones. And then that one, gorgeous. I think I can see more pearls in this one. So this one is faux pearls, I think, and faux gemstones, but quite realistic looking. These ones are real though. Wow, look at those. I think we need to make earrings out of those maybe. And some black pearls. Wow. And there's a matching necklace. And then these are gemstones. I think we've got some quartz. And I don't know what those opaque ones are there. I think they're glass actually, as spacers. Then we've got 3 necklaces, all the same to be worn together. They're all different lengths. And this one has almost like a navy blue pearl and grey pearls. And then I think these are coral in here. Amazing. And more stunning freshwater pearls. And these look like some kind of nut or seed. Wow, there's a lot of pearls to work with there, my goodness. And what have we got in here? Well, this is amazing. I think it's ceramic. That is so cool. I wonder if it's silver. I can't see any marks on it. But it has the look of silver. And then this one says Monet. Nice vintage Monet brooch. Look at these. So these are, I think, a faux amethyst. You can hear that they're plastic, but they're quite convincing. And then a large seed bead bracelet. That's really cool. And I think we've got some matching necklaces. Wow, look at that piece. Now, this is the one that goes with the bracelet. These are lovely. I think that these are plastic again. That's quite heavy. Perhaps there's some glass in there. These look like sea glass. I think it's a mixture of the two. Gorgeous colours. Oh, now these go with that amazing bracelet with all the pearls and the geodes. And there are 2 more, so this is designed to be worn stacked up. You must have a strong neck, Jill. These are heavy, heavy pieces. Absolutely gorgeous. Now these ones I think are raw quartz pieces. It's nice and heavy. And then these almost look like foil, don't they? Silver tone beads in between and at the neck. That's another long one. There's another 2 there, so I wonder if those sets of 3 were all from the same place perhaps. And there's another one of these, and this is coral. That's a nice piece. And there's a necklace to match as well. These are amazing. Look at that. It's like tree rings inside it. It's heavy actually, so is it coral or is it something else? Let me know if you've got any insights. This is a vintage plastic one, love the colour. And then this one is a mixture of gemstones here and then plastic to look like gemstones up here. A vintage plastic one. There's another lovely flower enamel necklace there. They're not branded, those, but they are lovely quality. Some vintage Peking glass, isn't that pretty? Now there's more reds here, and I think these go with that necklace. They feel like coral as well. And then we've got 3 gemstone stretchies and a polymer clay one. I love making rings out of these. And some dyed gemstones there. I think that might be an agate that's been dyed. Oh my goodness, I am absolutely overwhelmed. All the amazing things, all these pearls. Look, there's just piles of them. Thank you so much, Jill, for sending it in to me. I will, of course, try to do it justice by remaking, restoring and reselling as much of it as possible. If you are new here and you're watching for the first time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the like for me as well, and the hype button when you see it. Tell me in the comments what was your favourite piece. Check out the channel membership option, and I shall see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.